What's up, guys? We're out here at the Tristate Corrado Cruise and riding along with Lou here real quick. Had to go have a little fun in his Corrado. So VR6 Turbo Corrado, you autocross this thing, right?
Yeah, on track days.
Yeah, he does track days. So had to go test this thing out and see how it feels. That's right.
That's skid plate.
Okay, I was gonna say, wow, that's...
I have skid plate, don't worry.
Catching up to the cars in front of us, gotta let them go. How much boost do you run in?
15.
15, nice, that felt really good.
Pounds. And then it's only 4,000 RPM, I shifted 4,000 RPM.
Wow, that felt really good.
I never overrate my car, like 4,000, 5,000 max, I shift.
Nice.
It's enough, as long as you feel the rush, that's perfect.
You're on a cycle, speed up. Oh man. Oh man, that's
a lot of fun, man. Oh man, I miss racing so bad.
Oh my.
Awesome, I enjoyed it.
That's awesome, man. Thanks for letting me ride along.
I'm down for one more before I go home, you know?
That's right, dude, that's awesome.
That's 5,000.
Okay. Oh man, dude, I love how you're not afraid to use it.
Yeah.
People build their cars and they don't want to drive them hard, dude. That's right.
I smell brakes.
Oh, there's brakes. Oh man.
All right, I let it cool off. See the temp?
Oh wow, that's impressive.
See the
So
temp?
right at 100.
And the whole temp.
Tranny's at 210. Wow, dude, that cool's nice. Dude, that's awesome. Dude, well, hey Lou, thanks so much for the ride. That is awesome.
Worries.
Big shout out to Lou. He's the guy that gets these tri-state things together. So super cool. He was telling me earlier, one day he just decided, hey, it was during the pandemic and he was like, hey, I need a cruise. So he hit up another guy and slowly it started growing into what this is here. So thanks for getting this together. This is awesome, man. So
You're welcome,
keep up the
man.
good work.
And, we are looking forward for the next one again.
That's right.
We try to do it every month or a month and a half, and it's plenty of fun. And then I'm glad meeting plenty of new guys, new faces, new owner, and that's all about it. No pressure, meet, chill, and enjoy your car. Peace.
That's right.
Brakes smoking. Oh yeah, you can smell them and feel that. That's called using your car.
Drive really hard.
I've never been sideways in a Corrado before. I didn't know they get that tail.
This car all the time.
He's getting the tail end's coming around every other turn out there. That was wild, guys. Dude. What's up? Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was really awesome. Enjoy those VRT sounds. Catch you guys next time for some more Corrado fun. Peace.